What happens when MotoGP engineering meets the open road? You get the Yamaha YZF-R1, a superbike that redefines speed, precision, and pure adrenaline. Yamaha Motor Company, founded in 1955 by Genichi Kawakami in Japan. From a small team of dreamers to 52,000 employees worldwide, Yamaha is now a $20 billion giant inspiring millions of riders. Launched in 1998, the R1 brought MotoGP power to everyday roads. Its lightweight frame, high-revving 998cc inline-four engine, and cutting-edge electronics made it an instant icon. Step inside Yamaha's state-of-the-art factory in Japan. Design and aerodynamics, MotoGP-inspired curves built for speed, engine assembly precision robotics plus human craftsmanship. Frame and chassis forged Delta Box aluminum, built strong yet light, electronics, traction control, slide control, launch control, quick shifter, everything a MotoGP racer feels. Testing, wind tunnels, dyno runs, and race simulations before hitting the streets. Every YZF-R1 isn't just built, it's crafted with passion to carry forward the MotoGP DNA. The Yamaha YZF-R1 is more than a bike. It's a legend on two wheels. From racetrack to highway, it inspires riders across generations. This is Legends Unfolds, stories that inspire generations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more legendary journeys.